How to clear the system software cache on a PlayStation 5. Clearing the system software cache may help fix system feature issues and performance drops. Clearing the system software cache is safe and will not delete your game's saved data or other essential files. To clear the system software cache, make sure the PlayStation 5 is completely powered off, with no white or blue lights showing. Press the power button on the PlayStation 5 console and hold it for 6 to 8 seconds until you hear a second beep. Connect the controller to the PlayStation 5 using the USB cable, and then press the PS button on the controller to continue. Choose the Clear Cache and Rebuild Database option. Choose Clear System Software Cache. Click OK. The PlayStation 5 will now clear the system software cache. This process is safe and will not delete your game's saved data or other essential files. If you liked this video, consider giving it a like, dropping a comment, and following me for more PlayStation videos.